So if you guys are looking for a 13 million unit in Istanbul, in Sisli, in Nisantasi, I believe this is the place for you. So let me show you how does it look like. So our brand name is Ritz Carlton, which is an American multinational company that operates the luxury hotel chain known as Ritz Carlton. The company has 108 luxury hotels and resorts in 30 countries and territories. And our project is one of their first pilot projects known as Ritz Carlton Residences, which is based in Istanbul. The region is Sisli-Nisantasi. Now let's talk about the region a little bit. Nisantasi is an upscale residential area that is popular for its fashion boutiques selling international and local brands. And the population of our region is around 500,000. Now let's go and check our penthouse. So my lovely investors, as you have already seen the view, you have already know about the location. Let's talk about this apartment, which we started 1.3 million euros. First look at the ceiling. It's 6.5 meter square ceiling. Amazing, beautiful apartment. 3 floors, 6 rooms, 6 banyos. Banyo means toilets and all these things. 2 kitchens. Let me come down and let's further discuss about the location and about the apartment further things. So we have 3 floors. You have your private sauna, 2 saunas here. You have your private elevator. You can move around your house because it is 3 floors, 800 meters square. So I believe this can be the best opportunity. This can be the best place for all of those investors, for all of those families who wanted to live in Istanbul and feel like a king here, feel like a royal here, and spend their all of life here. So let's discuss about a couple of things, like what you should know before investing here. Like, this is the heart of Istanbul, you know, as I've already told you in the location. This is Nisantasi. See, look at us, look at around us. It's all magnificent, huge buildings. And this apartment is all those big families, all those big, huge investors, I believe, who have money, who have the budget, and they wanted to live in the heart of Istanbul, next to Fulya, in Sisli, in Nisantasi, where you can find all the luxury stores, where you can find all the luxury vibe of Istanbul, and you can live here in the center of here. If we talk about the capital gain, the most important thing, this area is said to have the most capital gain. Trust me, in last 1 year, in couple of our projects, our clients have received more than 100% capital gain here. And this area, the occupancy rate in the tenancy also, in the rents also, it's 100%. Clients are always asking us, sir, can we have an apartment here to live? So I believe this for yourself, for your family, for the future, as we have all the things next to us. We have the school, we have the hospital. I've already told you, everything is in your reach. You don't even have to use your car. Just walk around here with the beautiful, amazing views. So I think if you have, I'll say it again, that if you have the budget, if you can afford, this is the place for you that you should invest. And if you have any other query, if you have any other concern, any other question, you can write it down, you can ask us, and our team will get back to you. So don't miss this time. We have only one big penthouse remaining, this 6+1. So contact us and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So now let me give you the tour of this amazing, magnificent apartment with the mesmerizing view. And we have an amazing surprise for you. So stick with us till the end to have the amazing surprise. So let me show you the apartment now. investors from all around the world. As I've already shown you the apartment, we have already talked about the location and everything. And now there is a surprise for you. Let me show you what is the surprise, which I've already mentioned you in the apartment. So let's go there and I will show you that surprise. I'm sure you're gonna love that surprise, because in Istanbul you don't find this kind of thing so oftenly. So this is the moment of revealing what I've told you before, that I will give you an amazing surprise. So this is the beautiful, amazing surprise, your own swimming pool on the 19th floor of this building, Ritz Carlton. From here you can see the Bosphorus directly. You are covered with all of the high-rise, amazing high-rise buildings of Istanbul. So I believe this can be one of your best investments if you are looking to invest somewhere in Turkey and you have the budget. So I believe you should go for it and you will not regret it. So don't wait for it. Take the opportunity, call us and reserve this apartment for yourself. Thank you.